Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Globe. In the last class, I explained relations between, in the case of component angles, the product of maximoids and ratio of maximoids and sum of maximoids. Okay. Now, see here, the problem asked JEE Main 2019. A shell is fired from a fixed artillery gun, that is one type of gun, with an initial speed u such that it hits the target on the ground at a distance r from it. If T1 and T2 are the values of the time taken by it to hit the target in two possible ways, the product T1 T2 is A. R by 4g, B. R by g, C. R by 2g, D. 2R by g. First of all, you should understand the problem. What is asking the problem and what is given? See here, speed is same. So, a shell is fired from a gun with initial speed u. And how many possible ways here? Two possible ways here. In two possible ways, speed is same, u is same. And also r, distance r is even. Range also same here. That means here is speed u is same, range r also same. That means here nothing but in the case of complementary angles here. Indirectly is asking same speed, same range. Nothing but complementary angles here. Now we want the product of time of flights here. In the last class I explained product of maximoids. R equal to 4 under root h2. Now here is asking here product of time of flights. T1 into T2. Now, okay, I can prove. Options 4 given here, which is correct. So this is also based on memory power also again. Okay, we can solve now here. See here. Now look here. I should see figure also. Two possible is here. This is it is our first possible is this one range. Again this also second possible is. Same speed. In both cases u is and speed is same here. That is u1 equal to u2 equal to u. And range is same. Compulsory theta 1 equal to, that is r theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90 degrees. These are conditions. Indirectly is asking, that is about in the case of component angles here. Okay. Now we can prove here. See here. So we know formula, time of flight formula, T equal to 2u sin theta by g. This is general formula. Here two ways are there here. So T1 equal to 2u1 sin theta 1 by g. T2 equal to 2u2 sin theta 2 by g. But here, what is the condition here? But here theta 1 equal to theta 2 equal to, so but here, what here? u1 equal to u2 equal to u and theta 1 to theta 2 equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So if let theta 1 equal to theta, then theta 2 equal what here? 90 minus theta 1, nothing but 90 minus theta. Okay. So now we can use these relations in the equations here. Okay. T1, T2. T1 equal to 2u1 sin theta 1 by g. T2 equal to 2u2 sin theta 2 sin theta 2 by g. Okay. But u1 into u2 equal to u1 equal u2 equal u and theta 1 equal theta, theta equal 90 minus theta. Now substituting here. So T1 equal to right here 2u sin theta by g, theta 2 equal to 2u sine, this is nothing but 90 minus theta by c, equal, this is nothing but cos theta by c. Now we want products. T1 into T2 equal to 2u into sin theta by g into 2u into cos theta by g. So we can write here 2 u into u square, again one more 2 sin theta into cos theta by g. So this is nothing but 2u, this is nothing but what? Sin 2 theta, we write here sin 2 theta by g, since sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, this is well known to you. So now this is nothing but, again we can write here, this is u square sin by g, nothing but r, range, since range r equal formula u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, now look here, we got 2r by g. So T1 T2 equal, what we got here, 2r by g. So T1 T2 product, here u into u square, and remaining this one nothing but sin 2 theta, again we got sin 2 theta, nothing but this is nothing r, range. So therefore now option D is correct here. So what we got here, T1 by T2 equal what? T1 into T2 equal to 2r by g. So the important relation, and students here. So option D is correct. See, option D is correct. Okay, and we can say this is, from this here, T1 into T2 proportional to R also, because 2 and G are constant at a certain place here. So T1 T2 proportional to R also we can add here. Okay, dear students, so don't waste time. Prepare well for the examination and try to score good marks in physics here. Okay, and watch my videos. Okay, right.